PawSox are doing in what is supposed to be their final year in Pawtucket with no baseball in sight. Here's JP Smallins.
2 weeks out from what was supposed to be the final opening day ceremony at McCoy Stadium, the team staff is still at work, planning for whatever may come this spring.
We're still proceeding, actually at full speed, to present a season with as many games as we can have. That's what we love to do, and we know that this is a particularly emotional year for everyone who has loved McCoy Stadium, and we really want to still make it special.
Dealing with change, large or small, a given in the sport.
We have become so accustomed to being agile, being able to change at the last minute. Your game is rained out, you have a doubleheader tomorrow, everything changes. And I think that experience is coming into play right now.
The team will continue to follow the guidance it receives from Major and Minor League Baseball and plan its schedule accordingly. The front office staff, stadium crew, and players all eager to hear the cheers from the fans again in the 50th and final season here in Pawtucket.
Sometimes when you're deprived of something that you love, but that you might, if not take for granted, at least feel very used to, when you're deprived of it, and then you get to express yourself and indulge in it again, you savor every moment.
At McCoy Stadium, I'm JP Smallins, Eyewitness Sports.